the BJP has been reacting. Let's talk about Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar, who has now slammed Sam Pitroda. He says that the Congress is rather much focused on dividing Indians on the basis of caste, creed, identity and even geography.
This reveals that the Congress party is inherently today focused on dividing India, dividing Indians on caste, on creed, on identity, on geography. And the Congress party, simply by saying we distance ourselves. How do you distance yourself from a man who says terrorism happens? How do you distance yourself from a man that says corruption is a way of life? How do you distance yourself from a man that says the 1984 genocide happened, so what? How do you distance yourself from a man that displays this kind of deep-rooted racism against Indians? You cannot distance yourself. You have to either remove him from that position and officially say that the Congress apologizes for what a senior leader has said.
Meanwhile, let's talk about officially the Congress party statement that is now coming on Sam Pitroda. Because previously on the issue of inheritance tax, Congress party had sidelined saying and calling it as his personal statement. Now Jairam Ramesh has reacted on another statement of Sam Pitroda. Yes, Ankit, what is the Congress party now saying?
So for the second time in almost as many weeks, Jairam Ramesh finds himself in the unenviable position of having to distance himself from his old friend Sam Pitroda. He writes, the analogies drawn by Mr. Sam Pitroda in a podcast to illustrate India's diversity are most unfortunate and unacceptable. The Indian National Congress completely disassociates itself from these analogies. This is almost the same thing we heard with the inheritance tax tussle, but now Jairam Ramesh has said that the Congress disassociates itself with the views of Sam Pitroda.
All right, that is the reaction coming in. Now, let me go across to Pradeep and Jayalakshmi as well, because Pradeep, I believe you have people there, because this is the unfiltered version that we are talking about, not politicians, but the Aam Aadmi. What do they make of such statement coming in by Sam Pitroda?
See, Aam Aadmi is agitated and angry with the kind of a statement that Sam Pitroda has said, because they feel this is not only divisive, offensive, but abusive also. He's somewhere trying to insult Indians. Right now, the people are with me. I'll not be wasting time. I'll first ask them, कैसा लगता है जब आप सैम पिट्रोडा की ये स्टेटमेंट आपने सुनी कि कहते हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाले जो हैं वो चीनी लगते हैं, साउथ वाले अफ्रीकन लगते हैं, वेस्ट वाले अरब लगते हैं, नॉर्थ वाले कोई अंग्रेज लगते हैं, गोरे लगते हैं?
This is a very pathetic statement by Sam Pitroda. As an Indian, we are all equal and we are all one, and I think he should be apologizing from whole the country.
आप कैसे देखते हो? आप कुछ कैसा गुस्सा आता है?
बहुत गुस्सा आता है. हम भारतीय हैं, भारतीय रहेंगे. राहुल गांधी जी को माफी मांगना पड़ेगी. ऐसा पुट क्वेश्चन नहीं करना चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए.
आप कैसे देखते हैं? आपको कितना गुस्सा आया जब आपने ये सुना कि आपको हिंदुस्तानी न कहते हुए कहा कि कोई अफ्रीकन लगता है, कोई चीनी लगता है, कोई कुछ और लगता है?
तो यही कहते हैं, ये राहुल गांधी को इस चीज़ के लिए देश से माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए.
और आप भी यही चाहते हैं?
जी सर, मैं भी यही चाहता हूँ कि राहुल गांधी को माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए. हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम एक हैं और हिंदुस्तानी रहेंगे.
So that is the spirit, that is the jazba. They are saying we are Indians. So stop dividing us in the name of caste, creed, color, religion, race. Because coexistence of different faith, regions and religion is the strength of India. And you are somewhere trying to continue with that colonial mindset. Because this was the British mindset. They used to divide Indians, they used to rule. And the similar kind of a mindset is being applicable from the Sam Pitroda. That's one of the reasons the Prime Minister has also reacted very strongly, saying that Shahdaza's philosopher and guide is insulting Indians.
Of course,
and
he
that will not be
directly sought
tolerated.
an answer from the top Congress party leadership, and again they have now maintained distance. They have sidelined themselves from the statement made by Sam Pitroda. Jayalakshmi, you too have been speaking to the people there on the ground. What are their sentiments?
You know, certainly, just we heard exactly. The people here in Kerala also believe that such a divisive statement by somebody who calls himself the mentor of Rahul Gandhi is definitely, trying to create divide amongst people on the basis of caste and color is definitely not the right way. And in fact, people say that the Congress party who come to Kerala and in fact who all of the country say that they are trying to unite the country on the basis of secularism. They're trying to remove the divide in the country. Congress party and Rahul Gandhi who claim that is their politics. The Mohabbat ki dukaan is what Rahul Gandhi says his politics is. And a person like Sam Pitroda who is mentoring Rahul Gandhi, if a person like that comes out and says such divisive statements, definitely people here in Kerala also believe that, you know, there is no unity amongst the people. Some of the leaders who come out and say that they are trying to safeguard the secularism of the country, and at the same time the other people in the same party are coming out and using such divisive language against the country. So going abroad and using such divisive language is definitely not being taken in the right sense as far as Kerala is concerned, and I'm definitely sure that this is the emotions of the entire country, people who, you know, believe that we are Indians and we do not like to discriminate us on the basis of any
that's the point, and
color.
that's the sentiment largely that we've been speaking to multiple people there coming from different corners of the country and what they feel on the statement that has been made by Mr. Sam Pitroda.